Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the Terraform Associate Certification MCQs. So these are the practice questions again, and here it is a part 2 video. So let's begin and continue the some questions that really help to clear exam. Question number 6: username and password referred in the Terraform code, even as variables, will end up in the plain text in state file. So this is a true/false question. Option A is a true and option B is a false. So yeah, answer is the A, because username and password in a Terraform code are highly risky and highly important. So they end up in a plain text state files. So this is a true. Actually, this is a base we use as a environment variable also. So this is kind of we define in the .tf files or variables. So this is a true. So I will mark as a true because it's very important and it's very simple also. So when you practice in the lab, you will understand the username passwords. So when you writing some codes in the Terraform. So let's continue the question number 7. Which file is typically used to define resources in a Terraform configuration? So question is very simple again. Which file? They are asking a file basically. So here typically used to define resources. We have to define the resources in the Terraform configuration, and which file they are asking. So they have given option A is the main file, option B is a terraform.tf vares and variable.tf, and option D is outputs.tf. Obviously we can directly say, because we are going to store or define resources. Okay, resources we always define in the main file. So even I have some justifications. So let's, okay, here it is. I have added some notes. So file typically used to define resources in Terraform configuration, which is main.tf, and other files. So other files are also important. So terraform.tf vares is used to assign values to variable. Variable.tf is used to declare input variable, and output.tf is used to define output values for configuration. It all are very important for our Terraform labs also. So once you create any kind of deployment to the Terraform, you will understand all these files. Question number 8. What is the core Terraform workflow? What is the core Terraform workflow? This is very simple again. So they are asking the flow. When you are writing any Terraform script, what the flow you are using? Option A, plan, write, apply. Option B, write. You have to write a code. You have to plan it. The command you have to execute. They are asking, this is the flow or this is a sequence they are asking, and last one is apply. Option C is apply. Option C is apply, write, and plan. Basically, first we have to define write. Option D is apply, plan, and write. So what is the sequence or what is the workflow? We have to know until. So this is the actual. This is the actual core Terraform workflow overview. How it should be: first write, then plan, and then apply. So option B is the correct one. Okay, this is once you try some labs, small labs also, you will understand this flow, and you don't need to mug up anything. It's very simple. So let's continue. Question number 9. Which of the following Terraform feature is available in the Enterprise Edition but not in Terraform Cloud for Business Edition? So these are the two editions for the Terraform. When you configure it, you will understand the Terraform Edition and Terraform Cloud for Business Edition. So option A is application level logging. Option B is SSO. Option C is draft detection, and option D is audit logging. So they are asking features. Okay, basically it is comparison question, but they have given 4 options, so we have to identify the correct one. Correct answer is application level logging. So this feature is available in Terraform Enterprise, not in a Business Edition. So here it is. I will highlight also. So this feature is available into here only, available in Terraform Enterprise only. Okay, let's continue. Question number 10. Terraform is the infrastructure as a code, which is IAC tool. That is it. And select we have to select the two options. So obviously IAC means infrastructure as a code, and they are asking is it correct, and but is it a tool, but also they are asking for the we have to select the two options. Option A is the imperatives, option B the declarative, option C is cloud agnostics, and option D cloud native. Obviously one we can easily say this is cloud agnostic, because why? Terraform support multiple cloud platform, which is AWS, Azure, Google. So one tool that support multiple cloud environment, we can call it as cloud agnostic. Okay, this is agnostic is a new word, but still it's a very uh, common now in the cloud technology. So here it is explanation. Declarative. Why the declarative? Because Terraform use the declarative language, which is HashiCorp. It's a HCL language. So this reason it's a declarative and cloud agnostic. As I said, Terraform can manage the resources across multiple cloud provider like AWS, Azure, GCPs, and on-premise environment also. So that is the reason we can say it's a B and C answer. So let's okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt on the any videos, please comment on it. I will answer your query. Thanks for watching this video.